This is a rhythm. It's a pattern that repeats. This is a rhythm. It's how you keep a beat. Rhythm is what makes you wanna move. Rhythm is what gives the song its groove. Rhythm is the bouncing of the buzz. Rhythm is in every one of us. This is a bass drum. It's thumping on the beat. This is a bass drum. You can kick it with your feet. This is a snare drum. It makes a fizzy crack. These are the tom-toms. They're booming in the back. Rhythm is what makes you wanna move. Rhythm is what gives the song its groove. Rhythm is the bouncing on the buzz. Rhythm is in every one of us. If you wanna make the bottom sing, you can add some bass guitar with a little swing. And if you wanna make it sound more full, you can add some rhythm guitar for a push and pull. And if you wanna make the rhythm sparkle, you can add some lead guitar and keys. And if you wanna say what's on your mind, you can sing a melody sounding sweet in time. La 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 la. A one, a two,